Welcome to Stepstone Promoters, one of the leading flat builders in Chennai, offering 1 to 3 BHK apartments and flats. With 20 plus years of experience, Stepstones have completed 101 successful projects with over 4,000 happy customers. Backed by a dedicated team of professionals, transparent deals, and remarkable expertise, Stepstones builds residential projects that turn into landmarks. Stepstones launches Vatsi Amaze, a premium residential property located in Porur. A spacious 2 and 3 BHK apartments where luxury and comfort intertwine seamlessly. The project bounds with a huge open space with aesthetic, making it a veritable paradise for living space. Let us educate the premium process involved in making your dream home last for decades. Precision pipe boring is initiated to prepare the site for secure and efficient foundational support. The boring process reaches a remarkable depth of 50 feet, ensuring stability for the entire structure. High-strength steel reinforcements are carefully laid to enhance the durability of the foundation. A perfectly balanced concrete mix is prepared, ensuring strength and longevity for the structure. Pile foundations are strategically positioned to distribute load effectively and ensure structural integrity. Robust pile caps are constructed to connect the foundation and reinforce load transfer. Steel reinforcement is meticulously set for pipe caps and plinth beams, providing a firm structural base. The reinforced sections are filled with concrete, solidifying the foundation and beam structure. Following the completion of the plinth beam, a 5-foot wall is constructed to enhance structural integrity. The walls are then compacted with sand to establish a solid foundation, seamlessly linking all pillars with the tie beam for added stability. Shuttering for columns is installed to mold and support the vertical framework. Sand filling is carried out to level and stabilize the ground floor base. Concrete is poured into the column framework to create strong vertical supports. Shuttering is precisely set up for the ground floor roof slab, ensuring accuracy in the structure. Adjustments are made to close any gaps in the slab shuttering, ensuring a flawless framework. Reinforced cement concrete (RCC) slabs are laid out to provide robust support for the upper floors. The ground floor slab is concreted with precision, forming a solid base for the building. The structure begins to take shape as construction progresses to new heights step by step. ACC bricks are used for walls, offering strength, insulation, and lightweight advantages. Construction of the sill-level beam is completed, providing support for window openings. Lintel beams are installed above door and window frames, ensuring load distribution. Wall hatching is executed to improve the grip between plaster and masonry surfaces. Shuttering for the roof slab is precisely arranged, laying the groundwork for the final top slab. Electrical conduit pipes are installed seamlessly, preparing the structure for power distribution. The roof is completed with M25 grade concrete, providing superior strength and quality. Weathering course installation. The foundation begins with two robust layers of brush bond coating, ensuring superior water resistance and a solid base for all subsequent layers. The second layer features 20 mm of expertly applied waterproof plastering, adding an additional shield against moisture and enhancing the durability of the structure. The third layer is a 4-inch composition of traditional surki reinforced with lime brick jelly, designed for optimal thermal insulation and structural stability. Topping it off is a meticulously laid layer of white cool tiles with precision joint filling, offering a sleek finish while keeping interiors cool and energy efficient. Experience the perfect blend of fitness and fun at our park, featuring a modern outdoor gym, a serene walking path, and a vibrant children's play area designed for health, relaxation, and joyful family moments. Vatsia Maze is a premium residential property, consists of Block A with 20-unit condominiums in a mixed 3 BHK and Block B with 87 units. All properties are CMDA approved with a stunning view structured in a still plus 5 floors with individual car park. Vatsia Maze meets the expectations of discerning customers with Vastu complaints. Book now and embrace a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and comfort.